Now, I'm sure that you are tired of losing money trading meme coins even though the market is up right now. So that's exactly why in today's video, I will be exposing my deving strategy on exactly how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month consistently just from creating coins. In this video, bro, I will be showing you the entire method from A to Z. I am not here to sell you anything. I'm just here to show you how it's done right now, raw footage. Let's go. Now here's the truth. I'm about to drop a bombshell. Most of these coins launching on chain, they get no buyers, or if they do get buyers, right, they pump and then they dump. Okay, this is called a rug, and this is exactly why I stay away from trading. I do not want to risk my own money, okay, just to end up getting dumped on in 90% of all cases. So that's exactly why instead I dev and I create my own coins to make money from the dumps, right? I am the one selling my supply at the top because I am the dev, and these devs, they have nothing to lose. It costs nothing to create and launch these coins. It all depends to where you're launching and how you're launching. That's why in today's video, I will be showing you the entire step from how I'd go from $0 to $100,000 in 30 days from deving. I will be exposing the entire strategy from A to Z. I am not here to sell you a paid group or anything. I'm just here to show you how it's done, bro. Anyways, this video is not going to get any views, maybe under 100. So I do not care about exposing the method. Let's get straight to it. And by the way, bro, I do not claim to be any financial advisor. I'm just here to educate you guys because it is a educational video, right? It's all for educational purposes only. So please, bro, do your own research. Cap! Now look, bro, launching your meme coins on the right platform is the most important step because most devs are launching on Pump.Fun and they hope to make money because it's the most popular platform. But here's the truth, it's oversaturated. Thousands of coins are launching every single day. Look at this fucking feed, okay? On Pump.Fun, there's coins coming out every single second. And like I said before, most of these coins, they get no buyers simply because it's oversaturated. That's why instead, I make my personal meme coins on a different platform, which is way better than Pump.Fun, and that is the Raydium DEX, which is also called the migrate section. When a coin on Pump.Fun goes to a $35,000 migration price, it goes directly to Raydium, reaching thousands of potential people to buy your coin. It gets a bunch of volume, just everything is good on Raydium, okay? So I actually have a method to launch coins on Raydium directly without going through a bonding curve, and that is by launching coins directly with create meme.io. By making a coin here, your coin will go directly to Raydium, reaching thousands of people. And yeah, bro, that is a strategy. That's why people are keeping this launchpad a secret. Now look, to make a coin, you could either use their free Twitter tracker and you can turn tweets into coins. All of these tweets, okay, they're all coming out from viral and important accounts, or you can create coins. It's up to you from scratch, but we will be using the copy trending coins feature, which is my personal favorite. All my money comes from this feature because all these coins are going viral. They all have a bunch of attention, a bunch of volume, and they're all going fucking insanely good and viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a good narrative basically. So we will be using these coins to copy them back to Raydium to get buyers from using these narratives. Let me show you how it's done with a live example. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, now it's time to make some money, bro. Let's go. You guys will see me devil coin live and then possibly make some profits if possible, right? Now look, connect your Phantom wallet, right? And then look for a coin to copy. Just copy one, bro. I'ma just go for a random ass coin. This one, the hollow coin. Click on copy the Raydium. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Just ignore the block. It's normal, it's safe. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And then the coin will be created, right? Shortly, just wait, and then bang, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is really simple. You guys will see we're just allocating the supply and we're creating the liquidity pool like that your coin can go to Raydium. Now look, for the amount of coins, just click on 90%. Okay, the preset should be there. Just tap on it. Now guys, for the amount of SOL right here, put anywhere from zero point 0.3 to 1 SOL, and let me explain what it's going to do. You will be exchanging this Solana for some supply. Like that, you can make profits from your supply when the coin gets more value and more buyers. And you need to do this because otherwise you won't make much money. You will just make money from the creator fees, but you have to make money from the creator fees and from the supply. Okay, now look, this is not a loss. If you want it back at any given moment, you can get it back. You just have to exit and reswap your supply into Solana and it will come back to you. Now look, click on create pool. Your phantom wallet is going to show up. Just wait. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and bang, the hodl coin is live. Your piano is going to be right there. And if you want to see how much you're up at any given moment, just click on refresh. And as you guys can see here, bro, now we're up $200 because people are buying our coin and they like the narrative on chain, okay? That is exactly why we copy coins. And yeah, anyways, go on your trading platform. It can be Axum, it could be whatever you want. I'm going to go on Photon, right? I just use this one for everything. And as you guys can see, bang, we're getting a bunch of buyers because a bunch of people are buying in. We're already up like $500. Oh my god, bro! Wait, what? It's pumping so much. This is insane, guys. This is the power of create meme.io, copying coins and launching to Raydium, bro. This is insane. Guys, this coin costed us nothing to create. And that's exactly what makes this strategy so valuable. And I'm pretty sure this video is gonna get like less than 100 views. So if you are watching this, bro, like, bro, take advantage of this opportunity. Like, look at this, bro. I did no promotion. These are all random people buying in. And bro, like, it's so hard to go viral on YouTube, like, bro. And I'm just spilling a bunch of sauce for completely free. Anyways, I'm gonna let this coin run for a bit, and when I come back, I'll show you exactly how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, it pumped, let's cash out on this coin. And look, if you want, bro, some people bundle their own coins. Like, look, I could buy here, right? And then if it goes up a bit, we could sell. Come on, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. Yes, go up, go up. 10%, 5%, 2%. Oh shit. Oh, come on, pump. Yes. Oh my god, we're up. We're up 20%. Bang, I'm out. 0.5 SOL. We made around like $40 right there from our own coin. Oh my god, I should have held the coin. Anyways, come back to create meme.io. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, we are up $2,600 from deving. And oh, okay, it's going down. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button. Do 100%. Remove liquidity. Your phantom wallet is going to show up right here. Just wait. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And bang, bro! I just devved the coin in front of you, and look, we made 2.6k. But look, before you click off, look. Wait, what? Okay, boom! We received the money, $2,600 straight in our phantom wallet, bro. No fluff. I'm not even capping, bro. Yeah, and it is repeatable. You can do this over and over again. Obviously, the results will vary from coin to coin. You will not make 2.6k from each coin. Maybe a bit less, maybe a bit more. You never know. Create meme.io will be linked down below. Like and subscribe, bro. I would fucking appreciate it. And peace out.